Blow on the food if it's hot.
Hot oatmeal.
Hot oatmeal?
Ooh.
Your baby likes oatmeal?
Hi. Are you feeding your baby good?
Hi.
Hi.
Is that baby really hungry?
Yeah. Oh.
What's your baby eating? Oh, wow. What is that? We're going. You're going to get a fork? Okay. Did you find one? Do you need some help? No. Okay. Okay. You didn't see it? Okay, well just use your spoon. That works out great. Is your baby going to eat that whole bottle of food? Where are you going now? I think she's going to get a bottle maybe, but I guess we'll see what she comes back with. You didn't see it?
I didn't see the bottle.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe later we could look for the bottle.
Take away paper.
What?
Be careful with your baby.
Do you love your baby? You love your baby? Yeah. Giving your baby a hug. Can you give your baby a kiss?
I choose.
You do it.
Whoa, I choose it again.
Say excuse me.
Excuse me.
Can you give your baby big hugs and kisses?
Excuse
We're going.
Oh, she's putting the baby to bed. You can see her.
What's she doing now?
Hi. Oh, I think you need to. Is your baby asleep?